Are you tired of losing money trading cryptocurrencies? Sign up for my free trading AI with over 50% monthly return on your investment. Link is in the description. Raul Shiba Inu Paul shows how having 1 million SHIB will eventually make you part of the 1% of the wealthy. The month of August has brought Shiba Inu enormous fortune. The token's price has increased during the last 2 days, and it appears that this trend will continue. Even though the rest of the cryptocurrency market is losing money, analysts predict that the token will continue to rise in the next days. We shall discuss the Shiba Inu role in this video. Paul shows how having 1 million SHIB will eventually make you part of the 1% of the wealthy. To see our most recent Shiba Inu videos, pricing forecasts, and expert analysis, don't forget to smash the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start the video now without further ado. On August 3rd, let's observe what Shiba Inu does. Prices of cryptocurrencies were uneven today, with Bitcoin trading below the $23,000 level due to uncertainty and the worldwide markets overtaking the US. China. Cryptocurrencies were affected by tension, which caused Bitcoin to decline for a 4th day. The biggest and most well-known cryptocurrency in the world, Bitcoin, was trading slightly lower at $802. Despite falling more than 1% in the previous day to $1.1 trillion, the total value of all cryptocurrencies was above the $1 trillion level today, according to CoinGecko. The second largest cryptocurrency, Ether, which is connected to the Ethereum network, increased more than 1% to $1,612. Shiba Inu's price increased marginally to $0.0012, while Dogecoin's price fell by about 2% to trade at 60 cents. Shiba Inu is one of the digital assets that has received the most attention recently in the cryptocurrency community since it made some investors billionaires. SHIB is an experimental meme token known as the Doge Killer in terms of crypto technology. The Ethereum blockchain, where it was first introduced, as well as other blockchains, such as the Binance Smart Chain, host it. To maintain its security, it abides by the guidelines established by each blockchain that it is connected into. However, SHIB can benefit from ETH's technology and those of its other crypto partners. Price evaluation. When predicting prices, we examine SHIB's performance to see whether it will hit the $30 mark. But first, let's find out more about Shiba Inu and its place in the cryptocurrency industry. SHIB has so far been one of the crypto market's most aggressive digital assets. Due to this, the cryptocurrency can rank among the top 20 according to CoinMarketCap. Global investors do really appreciate this market because it is strong. Shiba Inu owes a significant portion of its success, specifically 41.3% of its success, to coin burning. SHIB reached its first all-time high in 2022 thanks to a Shiba Inu coin burn from the previous year. Investors in Shiba Inu are hoping that coin burning will soon propel SHIB to record-breaking highs. There are 549 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation with a current burn rate of 41.3%. At the end of July, the Shiba Inu market worth was $6.7 billion, and the SHIB price was $2. Consider a scenario in which there were 200 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in circulation, and the burn rate for the SHIB rose to 80%. From this simple example, Shiba Inu would have a price of $0.335 with the same Shiba Inu market value of $6.7 billion. Regardless of demand, roughly tripling the Shiba Inu burn rate would result in a 179% rise in your portfolio. The Shiba Inu market valuation was, at best, a few million in the beginning of 2021. Ryoshi, the founder of SHIB, went dark and gave Vitalik Buterin half of the total supply. Buterin burnt 41.2% of the total SHIB supply at the time, and donated the remaining SHIB to an Indian COVID-19 relief fund since he didn't want the power that came with the SHIB hoard. Within days following the coin burn in May of last year, Shiba Inu reached a notable all-time high of 0.0035 in favor of an artificial intelligence PhD fellow Shiba Inu program. Although the burn rate has only increased by 1% over the last 12 months, Shiba Inu supporters have since come up with inventive ways to keep burning SHIB. Investors must either trash their own Shiba Inu assets or devise strategies to persuade others to do the same. There is a price for this. For instance, in the final week of July 2022, 122 separate transactions totaling $13,500 burned 1.13 billion SHIB. In this context, it would cost each individual over $3 billion to increase the Shiba Inu burn rate to 80%. The Ryoshi Vision team, the SHIB burn portal, and now cryptocurrency will be working together on a project, according to the Shiba Inu team. A new Visa card from Shiba Inu has been introduced, and whenever a purchase is made using the card, SHIB tokens will be burned. The collaborative endeavor that was meant to inspire the SHIB army is making great strides. The Shiba Inu community has given the torch an incredible $110 million worth of SHIB coins in the last 24 hours alone, despite Ryoshi Vision being as slow as a turtle. In the world of cryptocurrency, burning refers to the act of sending tokens to a wallet or dead address so they may never be retrieved again. Investors profit because a restricted quantity of scarce crypto assets is favored over those with high inflation rates or an endless supply. Fixed or diminished supply, however, does not automatically translate into higher value. Therefore, the outcome of the burning portal is yet uncertain. Through Shiba Inu's Burn Tracker Twitter account, the notification was made. An orange-colored Visa card bearing the initials SB and the phrase, "Make payments, burn SHIB," was featured in a 3-second video that the business posted. We are awaiting more information regarding the card's usage areas. 110,289,311 SHIB tokens have been burned in 16 transactions over the last 24 hours. Shiba Inu and if the meme coin will reach $1 soon are the subject of debate. SHIB, one of the top memcoins that has Ethereum whale's attention, will increase by 11% and 24% in July 2022. There are hardly any neutral indicators in the upward price trend of cryptocurrencies. SHIB tokens are increasing in value at Ethereum whales, accounting for 22% of their total digital assets and exceeding $560 million in their portfolios. SHIB investors benefit from the cryptocurrency's performance thanks to its significant planned development projects. The memecoin is one of the preferred cryptocurrencies in the extremely volatile cryptocurrency market thanks to these development projects with the share burn method. Shibarium Belair 2, SHIB.io Metaverse SHIToken, Shiba Swap V2, and many more should be expected by SHIB investors. To reward the investors, the Shiba Inu management has established the burning portal. By exerting pressure on the supply and demand of SHIB tokens, it has successfully raised the price of the meme coin. The overall supply is 589,625,603,000, or 102,909, and the total amount consumed from the starting supply is 410,374,396,897,090, or 410.37 trillion. Shiba Inu has announced its collaboration with the Visualization Company, a long-term partner of Marvel known as the Third Floor, in the cryptocurrency sector. Shiba Inu's metaverse will benefit from the creation and development of virtual environments and monuments. After the introduction of these development initiatives in the cryptocurrency market, the price of memecoin will increase. By speeding the rate of price increase for a brief time, it has a favorable effect on the demand for SHIB tokens. Shiba Inu investments are at their prime right now to fuel future profits. According to a recent survey by Finders.com, while 30% of respondents believed the Shiba Inu would survive until the end of the year, 73% predicted its demise by the year 2030. The current bear market, according to well-known figures, will eradicate funny coins and make place for true innovation. Shiba Inu has been significantly altering itself in response. The Shiba Metaverse and stablecoin are among the most recent modifications, in addition to the new burn process. Billy Markus, the developer of Dogecoin, recently tweeted that he no longer approves of Elon Musk, the CEO of Tesla and SpaceX. He claimed that the media's negative coverage of Musk, which made him popular among leaders like him, was what triggered the change in his opinion toward Musk. Elon Musk may decide to stop supporting Dogecoin as the controversy grows. If this occurs, Doge will crash and could reach all-time low pricing. Although we will learn more in the following days, our main attention is on SHIB, our lone favorite. The day is over now. To view our most recent content, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share it, and subscribe to the channel.